Okay, we're talking hashtags on LinkedIn. Why are they important? Hashtags on LinkedIn work very differently to hashtags on the other social media platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, TikTok, etc., etc. On LinkedIn, we use hashtags to actually broaden reach. But it's not quite as simple as that. So to work out how much reach those hashtags are going to give you. Okay, so one of my clients wants to reveal a bit more of themselves, what they're about, their personal branding, if you like, and I really encourage this. But they suggested, how about if I use my hashtag of mountaineering? Okay, so I just want to show you what happens if you do use a hashtag of mountaineering. So what's this? You watching? Okay, so here we go. Can you see this? Okay, so mountaineering. There on mountaineering, can you see we have the grand total of 517 followers of mountaineering, which is not nearly enough. Now, so here's something that I do, is just to give yourself a bit of a chance. Where that might be useful is actually on highlighting the word. That might be useful. But here's a better approach. So if you have a look at a hashtag that really gives you a bit of a moonshot, so try this one. And this is the hashtag of leadership. And as you can see, leadership has got 3.2 million followers. It gives you a much better chance of reaching your target audience and as much engagement as possible. Okay, all right, so there you go on hashtags.